Can I hear? Can y'all hear? Can y'all hear? Okay. What's good, boys? Today I'll be stop posting I'll not be the official 4-1 kid now because it's 2026 and yeah, even I did like the great meme reset. Yeah, 6-7. Everyone say 6-7 in my class. They're like, bro, it failed. No JK. So I'll be telling y'all 4-1 is gone and I am Shotty Boy. Like I am good on shorty because it just when you freeze them and then you just get so near like bro. Pap. By the way, I own guys I own permafrost like bro. It has a skin. It has a wrap on it. So it's I own it. And anyways, I have a question for y'all all. Am I the only one with this charm? Am I the only one with the arena charm? Comment down below if you have it because I have it. I've been playing arena like a lot of times. Arena is getting like deleted soon, so yeah. Y'all should get it right now. And look. Arena diorama. Arena diorama. And anyways, why I am gonna answer why did I quit as the 4-1 kid? So I am almost retiring as a kid. So I'll be like teenager. Yeah. Almost teenager. Because yeah, that's I am shotty boy. Shotty boy. More like slingshot boy. Okay, my question, why is sub to JVK Fla is is like is number one, like slingshot boy should. Anyways, back to the video. Okay, why am I yapping? So yeah, I'll see you soon with my uncle, or the Quadro Squad. We're me, my brother's classmate, and my uncle and my other uncle are gonna play, are gonna make like rival squad. So it's gonna be the best rival squad ever. Like 5v5, using 5v5 when all of them five because look, me, my uncle, my my brothers, my brother, I met my classmate's brother and my classmate, and then my uncle. So it's like a 5 row. I don't know what do you call it. Just comment down below. Can I stop yapping, bro? Okay, see you soon. See you soon when I post videos. Uncle won't be ashamed. Get up!